What's the meaning of canon law? Canon law. Canon law.
Canon law. Canon law. Canon law refers to the body of laws and regulations that govern the practices and procedures of the Catholic Church. It covers a wide range of topics, including the organization of the Church, the administration of sacraments, and the conduct of its clergy and members. The purpose of canon law is to provide a framework for the Church to operate in a consistent and effective manner, as well as to promote and protect its spiritual mission and values. Ultimately, canon law aims to facilitate the growth and development of the Catholic Church and its community of believers.